Hello, good evening students. Today's transcription number back of 85 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Which has made an attempt in this direction through private enterprise, but there are philanthropists who have devoted themselves exclusively for this purpose, who, without desiring any profits for themselves, have been prepared to undergo any loss, and it is only through those people in UK that they could produce really marvelous pictures for children. Here in India, we can never expect any good children's pictures to be produced by the private producer. I know that the Government of India has even set apart an award for it, but that award will be of no avail. It is only deceiving ourselves, and the government is deceiving itself if it expects that simply because of this award, any producer will undertake producing a good children's picture, because it is an absolutely uneconomic proposition and it cannot be done, and the government must take the responsibility upon itself. The information department in its films division should produce good children's pictures, and those pictures should not only be preaching morals, but they should be good entertainers, and only if we could do that can we give something to the children which would be more attractive and where they will be more interested, and along with the entertainments and interest they could get instructions even without being told that these are meant for education. Then and then alone we can have some good results, and we can save our children, and we can really impart good instruction to our children through such films. Otherwise, when you go to the picture, you are not going there simply for instruction and learning morals. The main purpose of seeing a picture is to have entertainment, and certainly it should not be obscene or objectionable, and to stop that, the government has already been given enough power, and I say that the government is exercising that power. The complaint is of a different nature, and that is that our cinemas lack purpose. If you see pictures, you will find that out of them, 95% are just the same story of a boy and a girl and nothing beyond that. There is no real purpose or real drama except in certain films which are produced mostly in Bengal, and there we find that authors of eminence are there, and their works are being put on the screen. There are people for whom we have very great respect, even in the film line, who are very seriously thinking about this matter, and who are quite alive to their responsibilities. Such films should be given encouragement by the government, not through the censor board, but by the government.